Hi, my name is Kit Welchlin, and I will be the speaker for the Iowa Land Title Association virtual event on Thursday, September 24th. My presentation will be on coping with stress. Since 1983, I've been a real estate investor. I tend to buy distressed properties. If you drove by it and thought to yourself, yuck, I'm probably interested. Of course, it's a complicated transaction. Locating the property, negotiating a fair price, getting financing, and then getting clear title. There's a reason why it was a distressed property. Since 1991, I've delivered more than 3,500 speeches, seminars, and workshops, and according to the Book of Lists, sometimes public speaking ranks as high as #1 as the most stressful event we find ourselves in. So I really practice what I preach. And given all the changes and uncertainties we've had to deal with in 2020, it's critically important for us to manage the stress to minimize the damage both physically and psychologically. So in my upbeat, lighthearted, and even fun presentation on coping with stress, I will share the 3 stages of stress, the 3 stages of burnout, 15 physical remedies, and 15 psychological strategies to minimize the stress. And also, since about 40% of the stress we feel is caused by poor time management, I will share 20 time management techniques that will help us get more done in less time. I put procrastination off to the very end, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk about that. If not, we can always schedule another virtual event down the road. I look forward to working with you at the Iowa Land Title Association virtual event on Thursday, September 24th. You'll receive an email invitation about a week before the event, another reminder a day or 2 before the event. Just go ahead and click on the Zoom link and join us for a pleasant, fast-paced, 60-minute presentation on coping with stress.